We'll start recording. Good day. I want to show you how to install um, WordPress. My name is Olawe Oyikomi, and I'm a web developer. I'm from Nigeria. I designed websites using WordPress and Laravel. So today I want to show you how you can install WordPress on your mobile phone, your Android phone to be specific. So it doesn't matter if you're using a tablet phone or you're using a small screen. But the most important thing is that you can install this on your mobile phone. So without wasting much time, I will dive right into it and show you how you can install WordPress on your Android mobile phone. So for this tutorial, I am using an Edino tablet phone, and but it might be lagging a bit, but please bear with me. So I saw these websites. It gives instruction on how to install WordPress on your Android phone. So we are going to make use of these steps here to do just that. And as you can see, I am currently running two programs. I have these programs installed on my system. I'm going to uninstall them now, and we are going to install them again. Then we we will re-download, and I'm just going to do a quick wipe of what I have already on my phone, installed on my phone, and then we can do it anew. So I'm going to delete these two files. I'm going to leave the WordPress software that I downloaded before. I'm going to leave it in the system. I'm not going to remove it so that it can be a bit fast. So we need two applications to do this conveniently. So I'm going to head straight into my Play Store, and I'm going to search for um that is KS Web. So I'm going to install this. I'm going to install this. It's not it's a premium plugin application. So but it gives a trial. So I guess they give 5 days trial. So to test it out, to see the functionality, and if you like what you see, you can go pro, and you can subscribe to their premium services, and you begin to use it. In the free version that I'm installing now, it actually works perfectly. So and I'm going to download this app too. It's called ZR Archiver. So I can use this to unzip the WordPress software that I installed. So let's see. I guess the KWS application has complete installing. So that's okay. It has not complete installing. I need to wait a bit for it to complete. So while we are waiting, WordPress is a content management system, and virtually more than half of the websites you can find out there is running on WordPress. Worst of all, at least of all, the landing page, even if they have a backend functionality, the landing page surely will or must have been designed using WordPress. There are so many content management systems out there, but WordPress is the most widely used of. So installing WordPress is not a bad idea or a wrong decision. Learning WordPress and beginning to do one or two things on WordPress is not a bad decision to make. In fact, it's one of the best decisions to make. So we have the two applications installed now. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on this KW and this KS, agree to the terms and condition. And the next thing, you wait for this to, okay, so it's notifying me that I have a 5 days trial to check it. The time left, though I installed it today, I don't know why it's telling me I have just 1 day, but it's good for this tutorial. So I'm going to click on OK. And so you can see we have this light TPD. We have Apache installed, MySQL is installed, FTP is installed, PHP, and is running on PHP 8.2.6. So the next thing for us to do is to go down to the tools here. So when you get to the tools, you have to come to PHP My Admin, leave it at this light TTP, leave the light TT at the light TPD checked, and click on OK. It's going to do a quick download of the file I deleted before. So after completing the download, it's going to unzip it, and you're going to see, you're going to be able to, so what this is going to do is it's going to create two environment and two URL for you. So you can see now KS Web has added a new host, localhost 801, that is 8001, to select server. Click OK. So I'm going to click on this OK, and I'll head back to my status. And when you get to this status, you see that you have two host link. Now you have localhost 80 and you have localhost 801. So you're going to use this 8001 to access your PHP My Admin. So let's go down to my browser. So you can use any browser you like. You can use Chrome or any other browser out there that suits you. So I'm going to go to, and I've run it already. So I'm going to go to that localhost, and I'm going to create a localhost. So now it's asking for your username. So it will ask you to choose a username. So you use root as your username and do not include password. So, and I'm going to log in now. So I'm logging into the database. So the next thing for me to do is to create a database. So I'm going to call this test. So be careful of your typo. So I'm going to remove this from uppercase to lowercase, and I'm going to type test, and I'm going to create. So after creating this, the next thing for me to do is to go to wordpress.org. Like I said before, I have downloaded it, but for it should, in case you haven't downloaded the you don't have WordPress downloaded, so where you can go to get it download is you can go to wordpress.org. So I'm going to go to my bad wordpress.org. So this is where you can get it download. So just go to get WordPress, and you download the latest version of the WordPress. But I have this downloaded already, so I'm just going to go to my file manager. I'm going to go directly into this ZI cover. So I'm heading into ZI cover now, and here I'm going to locate my download folder. So I'm coming to this download folder, and I'm looking for WordPress. So I have it here, and I'm going to say extract here. So we'll wait for it to complete extracting complete the extraction. Then we'll head back to my file manager or your file manager. So this is my file manager. Then I look for download. So in the download, I have this folder here, WordPress. I'm going to copy this folder or cut it. I'm going to cut this folder. So it's been selected. Okay, let's copy the folder. So I've copied the folder. Then I'm going to head back to my internal storage and look for htdocs. So I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to paste this here. So it is pasting and I have it. Wow, that's many. So we have 3,000 files or thereabout to be pasted here. Wow. So I'm going to rename this folder. I'm going to rename it. So well, let's just leave it this way. So what would have been better if I can um, change this, but notwithstanding, let's go down to our web browser again. So here I'm going to type as that's going to be localhost column 8080, and I'm going to make this WordPress. I'm going to type WordPress here. So WordPress. Let's go. So it's going to link directly to the htdocs. Look for this WordPress folder. So we've gotten the WordPress folder, and then the next thing to do is give our database name, which is test, and then username, which is root. That's ROOT. And remember that we don't have a password, so the next thing to do is to submit, and this is going to take us to the installation page where we can run the installation. So it's asking for the site title, so I'm going just going to make use of test here. The username, of course, I'm going to use admin. I'm going to delete this off, and I'm going to use a simple phrase. That's a password. Let's make it a bit strong. Okay, it's not strong still, but I can confirm this. Then the email. I'm going to discourage search engine from seeing this. Then so just like that, your WordPress installation has begun and it is completed. So you can now log in, and it's asking for my username and password, which I have my system stored already, and login. So welcome to WordPress. You have it installed, and now you can use it. You can design, you can begin your design just the normal way you do with your system. So kindly like, subscribe, and share. If you find my content encourage, or my content, if my content um is good enough for you, kindly like and subscribe and share, so I can get to more people. By you liking and sharing, subscribing, or commenting, you help me to get to more people. Thank you very much.